Welcome to this educational series on Ethereum scaling. Today, we're exploring one of the most important technologies solving Ethereum scalability challenges, rollups. Specifically, we'll compare two major types, Optimistic Rollups and ZK-Rollups, also known as zero-knowledge rollups. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these technologies work, their differences, and when to use each one. Before we dive into rollups, let's understand the problem they solve. Ethereum's mainnet can only process around 15 transactions per second, which is quite slow compared to traditional payment systems. This limited speed creates network congestion, especially during periods of high activity. When the network is congested, users compete to get their transactions processed by paying higher gas fees. This makes using Ethereum expensive and impractical for everyday transactions. This is where scaling solutions like rollups come in. Rollups are Layer 2 scaling solutions that help Ethereum process more transactions faster and cheaper. They work by executing transactions off the main Ethereum chain, then bundling multiple transactions together and posting compressed data back to Ethereum's mainnet. Think of it like carpooling. Instead of each person driving their own car and paying for gas individually, many people share one vehicle and split the cost. Rollups offer three key benefits. They bundle multiple transactions together to save space, they inherit Ethereum's strong security guarantees, and they significantly reduce costs while increasing transaction speed. Let's explore the first type, optimistic rollups. They're called optimistic because they assume all transactions are valid by default, operating on trust unless proven otherwise. Here's how they work. First, transactions are executed off-chain on the Layer 2 network. Second, the transaction data is posted to Ethereum's mainnet. Third, there's a challenge period, typically lasting about 7 days, during which anyone can submit a fraud proof if they detect an invalid transaction. If no one challenges the transactions during this period, they're considered final and settled on Ethereum. Optimistic rollups have several advantages. They're EVM compatible, meaning Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible, which makes it easy for developers to migrate existing decentralized applications without major code changes. They have lower computational costs since they don't need to generate complex proofs for every transaction, and they use a simpler technology stack, making them easier to develop and understand. However, they also have drawbacks. The main disadvantage is long withdrawal periods, often taking 7 days to move funds back to Ethereum's mainnet because of the challenge period. They also require active fraud monitoring by network participants to ensure security. Additionally, they have higher on-chain data costs compared to ZK-Rollups. Now let's look at ZK-Rollups, which stands for zero-knowledge rollups. Unlike optimistic rollups, ZK-Rollups use validity proofs to cryptographically prove that transactions are correct before they're accepted. Here's their process. First, transactions are executed off-chain, just like with optimistic rollups. Second, the system generates a cryptographic proof, specifically a zero-knowledge proof, that mathematically proves the transactions are valid without revealing all the transaction details. Third, this proof is submitted to Ethereum's mainnet for verification. The mainnet only needs to verify the proof, not process each transaction individually, which is much faster and more efficient. ZK-Rollups offer compelling advantages. They provide fast finality, meaning withdrawals can happen in just minutes instead of days because transactions are proven valid immediately. They offer higher security through validity proofs, providing mathematical certainty that transactions are correct. And they have lower on-chain data requirements since only the proof needs to be posted, not all transaction details. However, ZK-Rollups also face challenges. They require high computational complexity to generate the cryptographic proofs, which can be resource-intensive. They currently have limited EVM compatibility, though this is improving over time. And they involve a more complex development process, making them harder to build and implement compared to optimistic rollups. Let's compare these two rollup types side by side across 4 important features. First, proof type. Optimistic rollups use fraud proofs, which are only generated when someone challenges a transaction, while ZK-Rollups use validity proofs that are generated for every batch of transactions. Second, withdrawal time. Optimistic rollups require approximately 7 days for withdrawals due to the challenge period, whereas ZK-Rollups allow withdrawals in just minutes. Third, computation. Optimistic rollups have lower computational costs since they don't generate proofs for every transaction, while ZK-Rollups have higher costs due to proof generation. Fourth, EVM support. Optimistic rollups offer native EVM support, making them easier for developers to work with, while ZK-Rollups currently have limited but improving EVM compatibility. Both rollup types have successful implementations in production today. For optimistic rollups, the leading projects include Arbitrum, which is currently the largest Layer 2 solution by total value locked, Optimism, which pioneered many optimistic rollup innovations, and Base, Coinbase's Layer 2 network built on optimistic rollup technology. For ZK-Rollups, prominent projects include zkSync, which focuses on user-friendly ZK technology, StarkNet, which uses specialized Stark proofs for high performance, and Polygon zkEVM, which offers EVM-equivalent ZK-Rollup capabilities. Each project brings unique features and optimizations to their respective rollup approaches. Looking ahead, the future of rollups is bright and multifaceted. Both optimistic and ZK-Rollups will continue to coexist, serving different use cases based on their unique strengths. ZK-Rollups are actively improving their EVM compatibility, which will make them easier for developers to adopt over time. Rollups remain central to Ethereum's scaling roadmap, with the Ethereum Foundation viewing them as the primary path to achieving mass scalability. When choosing between these technologies, the decision comes down to your specific needs. If you prioritize speed and fast withdrawals, ZK-Rollups are the better choice. If you value simplicity, lower costs, and easier development, optimistic rollups may be more suitable. Understanding both technologies empowers developers and users to make informed decisions about which Layer 2 solution best fits their requirements.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.